how to select your Shopify plan. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to select a plan for your Shopify account. So as you can see here, the trial account here has already expired since it was only valid for 3 days. So what I need to do is click on the expired button and then go to select a plan. For picking a plan, you have three options. Either you can choose basic, Shopify, or advanced. So each of the plans here are currently for $1 since it's currently for promotion, where it's only $1 per month for 3 months. And then after that, you will be charged regularly for the regular rate. So what we can do here is that for each plan, it has different features. Here, so for example, we'll click on a basic Shopify plan. And then for billing cycle, we need to make sure that you can choose whether you want it monthly or yearly. So what I chose here is monthly, and then when I click on next, it will be asking for the business address. Just need to fill it out and also fill out the payment method. And then once everything has been filled out, we will now be able to subscribe. So if here I missed a business address, so we will just place it here. Let me update that here in my records. And there it is. Now that the address, the billing cycle, and payment method has been filled out, what you need to do is on the right panel, you can just click on or review the features and the plan that you have. And then you can go ahead and click on subscribe. And then once you click on subscribe, you will now have the plan on your account. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.